In this module, we are going to look at the formalities, statutory filing, and disclosure requirements of limited companies. There is a very structured method for setting up a limited company and ongoing reporting requirements. When someone has an idea for a business and begins the formalities to form a limited company, they are called a promoter. Very often these people will go on to be shareholders and/or directors. But as a company does not exist until the formalities are complete and a certificate of incorporation issued, they cannot use those titles until it does exist. So common law recognises them as promoters. They usually have the business idea and then produce the various documents and so on to register the company. This is called incorporation. In other words, setting up a limited company by going through the processes required by the Registrar of Companies. Sometimes the people with the business ideas will get a professional, such as a solicitor or accountant, to do the setup work for them. In that case, the professional is not viewed as a promoter, simply a professional advising and acting for the promoters. Although the company does not exist until the registrar has agreed and issued the certificate of incorporation, the promoters still owe duties to the proposed company, which are similar to the fiduciary duties which they will have as directors once the company is up and running. For example, a duty of good faith, full disclosure, and not to make a secret profit. Although the company will not officially exist until the registrar issues the certificate of incorporation, it is not unusual for the people with the business idea to want to get things in place ready to start as soon as the certificate comes through. They may find business premises, order stock, lease a vehicle, and so on, and may also enter into contracts on behalf of the proposed company prior to its incorporation.